Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's just first activate SIM card. In my case, just the currently pin code is from 1 to 4. After that, we should just launch the settings application and then scroll down to the privacy section. Then just scroll a little bit on to the privacy, sorry, to this biometrics and security section. Then we should open the SIM card manager, but no, just go back here and tap to other security settings, then click here to set up SIM card lock, and just to remove the pin code, you should click here only once on the switcher, and after that enter your currently pin code. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and that's it. Now we can see that our SIM card successfully just unlocked from pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.